Rape is the worst kind of crime, and rapists should not be spared. But who decides who's guilty? What happens when the rule of law is subverted? India is debating some very serious questions, and this debate, this conversation will shape the future of Indian society and Indian democracy. Before we bring you the arguments, let's revisit the facts of the case. Less than 2 weeks back, a woman was raped and murdered in Hyderabad, burnt after being brutalized. The sheer horror of it shook the nation. There was widespread outrage. This morning, all 4 accused in this case were killed in a police encounter. It happened in Hyderabad. 10 policemen took the accused to the crime scene, the area where the doctor was killed, the woman was killed. They were trying to reconstruct the crime. The Telangana police claims that the accused tried to escape. They first threw stones, then snatched police weapons and started firing. In retaliation, the police fired too and killed all the 4 accused. This is the police's version. The accused, of course, are dead. The encounter happened barely 400 meters away from where the body of the victim was found.
They snatched away weapons from our 2 officers and started firing. So even though our officers maintained restraint and asked them to surrender, but without listening to us, they continued to fire and continued to attack us. So again our people started in retaliation. In that retaliation, the 4 accused got killed.
The encounter has left India divided. Many Indians support it. Some are questioning it. There is a heated debate. The family of the rape victim says justice has been done. There was widespread celebration on social media. Hailing the police was the mother of Nirbhaya, the girl who was gang raped and brutalized in Delhi in 2012. Her case is still not over, by the way. Her mother says the police should not be punished.
सजा से मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. पुलिस को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कि पुलिस ने, हैदराबाद की पुलिस ने आज एक नजीर पेश की है. जिस तरह से उन्होंने क्राइम किया था, जिस तरह से आज पुलिस के साथ उन्होंने धोखाधड़ी की, पत्थर मारा, पुलिस ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. मैं पुलिस की दरिया दिल्ली का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ.
Remember, the Nirbhaya case galvanized the entire country. 7 years on, her rapists are still alive. And this alone reflects all that is wrong with our system. The often repeated line, justice delayed is justice denied. The public sentiment is understandable, but that doesn't make it right. Justice cannot be dished out based on popular mood. The law is sacrosanct. The police action is being questioned. The National Human Rights Commission has ordered an inquiry. Was this a fake encounter? There is no proof to suggest that yet. But the Telangana police's record is being cited. Such encounters have taken place in the past. One in 2008, another one in 2015. In December 2008, there was an acid attack on university students. The police was under pressure to act. They gunned down 3 accused. The script was the same. The accused were taken to the crime scene. They took on the cops and they were killed. It is widely believed that this encounter was staged. Guess what? The SP in charge of this encounter was VC Sajjanar, now the police chief of Hyderabad, where this has happened. Today he appeared before the media to share details about this morning's encounter. This is a very important case. It is a test of India's institutions, law versus public sentiment. The encounter will face more scrutiny in the days ahead. It could be investigated. The Supreme Court, remember, has laid down strict rules about police encounters, and this was done in 2014. Already, human rights groups are calling for a probe. But the pictures of celebrations are telling. They are proof that Indians do not trust the system, and this, may I add, is a dangerous trend.